everyone, welcome back to my channel Kitchen of Flavors. Today I am going to show you how to make Palmeirs. So here I have my puff pastry sheet, and this is what we're going to use to make the Palmeirs. It's very easy and simple. You can do this in a few minutes if you want a quick snack. So since my puff pastry sheet is ready, I am now going to sprinkle some sugar on it. We're going to sprinkle it on each corner and even on the center. You can use a lot of sugar if you want to, but I use a bit. So I've already sprinkled my sugar on it. Now I'm going to roll both sides so they can meet up in the middle. I'll start by here. Now I'm going to roll the other side. Both sides have to meet up in the middle. That is how we're going to make our Palmeirs. So this is how it's gonna be, and I am now going to start cutting them. This is how you should cut them. You can cut them with whatever size you want. If you want them soft, you can cut them big, and if you want them a bit crunchy, you can cut them a bit smaller. So you can see this is how they are going to look. So these are ready. I'm going to do the other one and then we're going to bake them. So I have a greased baking sheet over here. Now I'm going to place the Palmeirs on top of it, and this is how you're going to place them. You can press them a bit, just a slightly bit, and this is how you're going to place each and every single one of them. Make sure to leave a bit of space in the middle so they don't catch. So I've put them in the baking tray. Now I'm going to bake them at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. So my Palmeirs are ready, as you can see. This is how they are supposed to turn out. If you want, you can make them a bit lighter if you need them really soft, but this is how they're actually supposed to be made. So I hope you guys try this recipe. If you do, please let me know how it turns out in the comment. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Also share it with your friends and enjoy. Thank you.